I'm not a high maintenance girly, but I do.
You are not being honest. You are definitely high maintenance.
I am not high maintenance. I just use.
Girl.
I like to get my hair washed. I am not washing my own hair.
It's getting thicker. Yeah, it's getting thicker. That's that thick. That's that real shit. That's that jelly, baby.
Alright, y'all. So I'm getting ready to get my makeup done so that I can record some content. I found my Canon camera. Ariel always does my makeup. Ariel Infinite. I love her. So we just gonna vibe. After this, I'm going to get my hair braided down properly because the little ponytail with the wig, that's for emergencies only. So y'all gonna come with me while I go to the salon.
It's the same girl?
Yeah. All right, I just finished my glam. I love it, of course. Next time we're gonna let y'all in on the conversation, but it be tea, honey. So we don't record while we do our little talks. Thank you, Ariel. You busy today?
Yeah, I'm busy.
Okay. Yes. All right. If y'all need a makeup artist, Ariel travels to you, and she is in the Metro Atlanta area, but she goes as far as like what, Brazelton? Like you go, Tequila. She be traveling, and she's always on time. Ariel did my makeup for my wedding, and she was on time, and we went to cosmetology school together, so she's a licensed makeup artist, and I just love her so much. So book her, Ariel Antoinette, on Instagram, and she loves doing bridal, but she also does, you know, for a good little content day or, you know, dinner date nights and stuff like that. So y'all make sure you hit my girl up. And yeah, I'm about to go get my hair shampooed. I am in Atlanta's traffic, and honey, what? I'm just like confused. It's the middle of the day and y'all got traffic. Y'all not at work? What's going on? I'm going to get my hair done, but still, like, it's always something. I'm at one of my favorite salons in Atlanta. Kiara.
Wait, are you recording that?
Yes, I'm recording.
Sorry.
Kiara gets me right at Sugarcoat in Buckhead. A lot of people know Sugarcoat from doing nails, but they actually have a hair bar in Buckhead off Far Road. And I just love this salon so much. Look how beautiful and airy it is. And look at this chandelier, y'all. Sorry. Oh, it's not on yet. Oh, look at this chandelier. This is my type, okay? My next salon gonna be like this. All right. So Kiara does all my maintenance. I'm not a high maintenance girly, but I do.
You are not being honest. You are definitely high maintenance.
I am not high maintenance. I just use.
Girl.
I like to get my hair washed. I am not washing my own hair. It gets crazy under here.
It did kind of hold up though. Your roots.
It did, but it's like I think I might have scratched. I think it's burnt off now right here because it's me trying to re-straighten it. Look at the feel the texture. It feels like straight. I don't know. I had to stop putting heat on it altogether. I was like, look.
You was going home and adding more.
This is how I woke up. It was sweated out.
Oh.
So right now, I'm just like, girl, please braid me up. Okay. I'm gonna have to get the steam.
Okay, come on.
Everybody know I always get my little sandwiches. From here, we do breakfast at the little bodega across the street. And I get the spicy avocado sandwich. This is just something that's just standard. But look at this, Kiara. Hey. Yes. So, I got new shampoo that I want to try too, y'all. So I have seborrheic dermatitis, and I have my own shampoo line, but I want to get into doing something a little bit more dermatitis friendly. So I've been trying out brands that I've seen from different vlogs and stuff, just trying to see what works best on my hair. Of course, my wig and weave shampoo. We use that for my wigs. But today I'm going to try, well, lately I've been using this Bayes Bayou skincare shampoo, the Renew shampoo, and the Renew Scalp Renewal conditioner. So like I said, I still use my own Potion shampoo and conditioner, but I always start off with something that's a little bit more scalp detoxing, because my hair is I have seborrheic dermatitis, so it's something that I'm gonna always have. But if you do certain regimens, it does help it clear up more. So yeah, you have to shampoo my hair. All right, I'm all braided. Whew, I'm about to put my wig on, and I gotta go to the mall real quick. I am in Phipps Plaza at Salle Optician, basically picking up my glasses. My husband purchased for me some Cartier, and I wanted some smaller frames, so I am picking up the new smaller frames today. I like coming here because look, they got so many different styles. Everybody's so nice. And yeah, so I'm gonna have me some Cartier frames today. I'm supposed to be leaving with them today, so they're just getting them ready now.
Right about there. Look at your platinum color.
It looks so perfect.
It do look perfect. Go.
Thank you.
Just let us know if you need any other help.
See if I
But
can put
you
these
know, basically what they're saying about the frame, that's just, it's not true.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. That's more your look.
Yeah, that's cute. I like these a lot.
Beautiful.
And that might be a good opportunity. I could send you the job description, and it's only for a semester, so it's not that long.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. So it's a job. It's a teaching. I could be a professor at Spelman.
Yep.
That's kind of lit.
And I applied for the finance and organizational management position.
That's kind of lit.
Yeah, I'll send it to you.
So I got dressed